welcome back to my channel. Today we will be covering one of the many tutorials in my Crochet Basics series. This series will be covering the fundamentals of crochet, things like basic stitches, how to make a magic circle, slip stitching, and many other things. Today we will be covering the double crochet. Let's get started. So like in my previous videos of the single crochet and half double crochet, we are starting with a chain of 6 so that we can make 5 stitches. Let's get started. So just like in the half double crochet video, we are going to yarn over before we insert our hook into the second loop from the chain. So let's do that. Yarn over, into the loop, yarn over, pull back through that same loop. As you can see, we are left with 3 loops on our hook. We are going to yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through the second 2 loops. We have now created a double crochet. Let's do that again. Yarn over, through the loop, yarn over, pull through the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, double crochet. Yarn over, through the loop, yarn over through the loop again, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the other loop. Yarn over, through the loop. I said through the loop. Yarn over, through the loop. Yarn over, through 2. Yarn over, through 2. Last one. Slippy today. There we go. And there you have it. Our double crochets. Now, I really like using double crochets. I like to use them for hats. They work up really, really quickly instead of having row after row after row of single crochets, which can be very tedious and really bad for my carpal tunnel. I hope that you like this tutorial. Please like and subscribe and hit that notification button to be notified when the next video in the Crochet Basics series is posted.